All right, guys, welcome back to the Brandon Coin YouTube channel. I hope everybody's having a great day. And if you've noticed, especially on Parallel Miner, a lot of the really good power supply deals have gone up in price quite a bit. And it's almost getting really hard to recommend them. So I was digging through their website and I actually found some old combo kits. There's not a ton of them, so I can't promise that they'll be there or be in stock once you watch this video, however old this video is going to be. But it looks like they put these kits together for different ASICs, maybe some stuff that's irrelevant now, but they still have them in stock, and they're a lot cheaper than buying the same hardware in a GPU mining kit. So let me switch on over here and show you what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so if you go to Parallel Miner and you click on shop, you'll see like a 750 watt with no cables, and the cheapest breakout board's $55. You throw 8 cables on that bad boy, you're paying $60 for a 750 watt, a 6 breakout board. So it only has an 8 breakout board, so it's only got 8 plugs, and then 8 PCIe cables. Or I found over here, this is like an ASIC kit, and it actually fits my bill a lot better. But if you click on this option, the A4 Plus, it's $40.71. And if you go down here, there's 23 of them in stock. But if you go down to the A4 Plus, you can see that it comes with a 750 watt gold power supply, an X7 breakout board, which I believe it has, I think it's 12 plugs instead of 8, so more plugs on it. And then it comes with 9 PCIe cables. The only thing I caution you guys, these are 6-pin to 6-pin, so you have to do something with them on the back end, because most cards now are not just only 6-pin. So you have to either use a 6-pin to 8-pin either splitter or adapter. I really like these, but you have to, as you saw in one of my past videos, you have to be really careful about the load that you put on them. I like, where are they? Hold on. I just had them right here. These bad boys, it's a 6-pin and it splits it into 3 6+2 pins. And these do really well, just not overloading them. So if anything, maybe only use 2 of them if you're going to use a lot of power draw, or use them for risers, that kind of thing. Now continuing onwards, I also saw they had this deal over here. It is a 750 watt power supply. It comes with 7 6-pin cables and a breakout board for $49. So you're saving yourself $11 on that one, and on this kit you're saving yourself almost $20. Now this one does come with the 6+2 pin, so I guess it's all relative. I am searching through eBay trying to find some good eBay sellers. A couple of the Discord admins and stuff are trying to find like a good recommendation, because I'd hate to like recommend an eBay store and then, it's kind of junk, so to speak. But the way server power supplies are, these power supplies used to be absolutely dirt cheap. So the fact that they're going up in price, it's almost making them less appealing. Because you could go to like EVGA B stock, you can go to Amazon and just buy ATX power supplies and mine on those. So a little food for thought here. Not a super long video for tonight, just kind of showing you what is available and what has come back in stock. And I don't think these are actually going to get restocked, being that these are old ASIC kits. And there's nothing different between an ASIC 6-pin and a GPU 6-pin. The only reason why a lot of people don't use 6-pins anymore on GPUs is because most GPUs now are 8-pin. It's kind of an older standard, but it still works. So you just have to get an adapter or a splitter. A lot of people already have splitters, so like you could run like a 6-pin to dual 6+2 or dual 8 basically. So yeah, so food for thought, guys. If you want them, grab them. The link down below is a referral link. If you don't want to use the referral link, just go to parallelminer.com and search for like this one's the ASIC miner D9 S11. I had to do some digging to find these, because you can't just sort from lowest to highest and find these. They don't show up for some reason. You got to go to like shop, power supply, the ASIC section, blah 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 blah, If I find any more of these, or if they come down on the regular kits prices, I will do another update video. But other than that, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys have ordered some. I'm using a ton of these power supplies in basically all my rigs, so I love them. They do good. I can't say anything bad about them. But yeah, peace out. I'll see you on the next one. Adios.